It's 2:20 p.m. and we are at Gateway in Cubao. Okay, General Ross Avenue and corner General Aguinaldo Street. Or avenue pa rin siya. So, through traffic, mall drop-off, ito po, Boulangerie dyan. And that's Gateway already. So, we're waiting for our ride. It's still Christmas because there are still Christmas decors. It will not go away for maybe a week. Still a week. So that's Novotel. This one is Cineplex 10 Food Express Rustans. Jen Rojas. Ang hirap kaya mag-grab. Hindi mo alam kung nasaan yung where your ride is. So, second day of adventure and exploration, Cubao. Araneta Center, Cubao. Look at the decors. Dinchaya, where is that car? SM pala to. Ayan, SM pala yan. Alim Mall ito. Ah, okay. Ayan pala yung Alim Mall. Siyempre, Aurora Boulevard na. Aurora Boulevard na po yan, kuya. Sa kabila pa. Okay. Ito ay Paragon. Robinsons Easy Mart. Pastel Baby. Balik sa Jen Rojas. Balik sa Jen Rojas. Pero medyo sa labasan na siya. Tropical hot since 1965. Yan na pala katagal ang tropical hot. Ayan, may Mercury truck dito sa corner. Bago tayo liliko, going right. Mag-right turn. Ito na si Aurora Boulevard. Giromolo pala yan ang pinagalingan namin. May Sogo Hotel dito. Barangay Socorro. Yamaha Cubao Branch. Tapos yung LRT nasa taas. Yung papuntang Antipolo yata yan. Lapit lang naman ang aming pupuntahan. pala dinadaanan. Easy Mart, Robinsons. Escalades, Aurora Escalades. Yan pala yan. Si Aurora Escalades. Tapos may Toyota Cubao. Papuntang Marikina na ito eh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Yay! Blow your cake.
Wala pa.
Wala gali. Ayan ang birthday ng aming 75-year-old. Wow, ang cute ng aming 75-year-old na mommy. Sister ko po. Gikuan, kinuhanan ko. Tinan mo na uy, tapos ito yung kakainin. May barbecue. Oo, kasi kumain na sila. Na late daw kami. Pero okay lang yun. Ito ang ang spaghetti long life. At saka chicken. Naku! Oo, chicken and pork barbecue. Maraming salamat po. Ito ay kakainin mo? Almond. Sige, okay. Ganda kaya, oh. Oh, I like that. Oo, I like that.
Okay,
I like this unit.
Hindi ni amo ang
I like this unit. Tapos window niya is overlooking, ano ni overlooking the what? Sa likod? Sa likod. Tiara, oh. That's the 2,100 ang daily rate. Okay, di ba nice, no? Nice. Okay, may hood din, may hood. Okay. Okay, tapos see our bathroom. Check natin ha. Open ako. Open ako ha. Permission. Okay. This is how the CR looks. Yeah, this is it. And then this is it. Ayan, oh. Oh, hindi naman po kanila ito. Oo, just rented it for a day. Iba yung unit nila. Secret. Yan, ang 75-year-old namin ng
naka-duster na pink man.
Wait, naka-duster pala siya ng pink, oh.
Hindi ka party.
Nag-celebrate na siya sa kung saan na yun siya nag-celebrate. Tapos bukas ulit.
Yes. Yeah.
Alam niya na kung saan.
Yes. Ang gina-ambisyonan ko nga party as in
Ha? Iyan gusto niya?
daw as
Special
in
request?
daw wala. Hindi actually ang place ang gusto ko matilawan.
Ay, ibig sabihin, alam mo na kung saan tayo pupunta bukas?
Yeah.
Akala ko ba secret? Dito ba? Isubong niya, hindi ginman niya daw kuha lang kami daw mga hotel. Ayan, oh. Below.
Natay ko lang kayo niya para nasa
Happy birthday to you. Gilang. Nice. It's still Christmas. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Ayan. Malapit na. Tanggalin ang mga Christmas trees. Ito po ang Christmas tree sa Novotel. Dito sa Gateway sa Cubao. Araneta Center. That's Fiesta Carnival. Ganda talaga ng decors nila dito, no? Wow! Pakita-kita! Kita-kita! Ayan lang oh. Gateway. That's the gateway. Let's go. This way. Starbucks here.
Yung camera baka
Pasok na tayo doon. Sige. Let's go. Food Express sa 4th floor. It's the food court here at the Gateway.